Okay, so this is a functional review of this Sony digital camcorder. It has a hard drive built in with an SD memory card as well. It's a model number DCR SR68, I believe. Okay, so just to show that it actually functions as intended. Okay, zoom control up here. Okay, and then to get into the menu, typically I think you hit this play button here. This is a touch screen, so what do you hit here? Oh, the menu button here, and then you just go through your options here. Whatever you need to tap. Okay. It has trying to figure out, go back to the screen. Okay. So let's record something real quick. So record button's right there. Say something, and then we basically stop recording. We can also switch this over into photo mode. Hit this mode button right there. Go over in the photo mode. Now you're going to take a still frame. You might have, I think you hit this photo button up here maybe to take the photo. Let's see. Yeah. So try that again. Yep. Okay. So now let's see if we can go view what we recorded. Those are the still photos because I'm in photo mode, I suppose. And then a scroll. Yeah, those two photos there. So let's switch over into camera or video and let's see what they have in here. This is the last one I think I did. No. Okay, where do I need to get to? Maybe this button here. Ah, I gotta tap this here for the videos. And this is the last one. Record button's right there. Say something. Okay. Not sure where the volume, I don't know if there's a volume control here. Okay, nope, that's not it. All right, well, the light, let's see, should work. Okay, maybe we need to get back into, okay, light. So that light comes on. All right, and if you have any questions, just let me know.